Ay, doon daw po pala. Nice friend. Of course, nice friend, my love. Nakita mo ba dito?
Noah. And yeah, our photo man.
Ako naman.
One more, one more.
Ay,
Okay.
sa photo man, angulo.
Okay. No, Lucky. Asan po? Asan mo?
Ako pala yung sarili ko.
Kasi po. Ate Clau, kay April. Events creation by Miss April. Ate Clau.
Okay. Would it first? I'm going to say something.
Okay.
Hi everyone, it's me Nadine Barreto, the Optimum Star of the Philippines with the Optimum Events Creation by Miss April. Siya ang optimum talaga pagdating sa mga parties dahil talagang kaya niyang gawin ang imposible. So, Miss April, thank you so much. And for always doing our parties, talagang making magic in days. Alam naman na lahat na introvert, pero tignan mo naman, nagawa niyo ng parang thank you talaga. Also, special shoutout kay Sol sa aking PA, I love you. Thank you. Miss April and sa Events Creation, God bless, more power, and sana marami pa kayong maging kliyente kasi you are part of our family. And part of every special event ng Barreto. So, wala akong sabi. Happy birthday, Noah. Happy birthday, Noah.
Okay, picture.
Thank you.
Okay, picture. Kuya, picture.
Here naman, guys.
So,
Ay, ano? Paano nga? Sasama na ako. Go. Sasama na ako.
sama ka na kaya. One more.
Another one.
Yes. Wow, look at your dinosaur cake, Noah. This is made by Daniel. Ganda naman. Ay, wow. Daniel's Bakery Factory. Okay. Okay. Sarap na? Wala ka?
Picture tayo sa cake.
Ano?
Love, ano name?
Daniel's Bakery Factory. Thank you so much to Daniel's Bakery and Cafe for this wonderful dinosaur birthday cake of Noah for his 7th birthday. Sobrang thank you talaga ng kumbilaan ka na ginawa ninyo ng paraan. Thank you, Daniel's Bakery and Cafe. Dadalaw ako doon sa inyo. Hindi na-enjoy. Thank you, I love you guys. Say thank you for my cake. Daniel's Bakery Cafe.
You're welcome, Noah.
Here, ano, Noah?
And 1, 2. Nice. Ganda. Tapa. There you go.
Thank you. Thank you.
Ate Clau, you're on live, ah.
Yes. Thank you. Ay, hello! Nako, excited na. Mayroon pa tayo. Ang ganda naman ang suot. Pwede kong i-disappear mo kung mamaya. Mag-disappear muna sa Earth saglit.
Better show, right?
Yes,
The better show.
The better show. I cannot see.
Better, ma'am.
Ha?
Better.
Better talaga.
Naku, gusto ko yan na. May better half. Next. Okay, the better.
And here naman sa akin. And everyone. Better shots.
Hi everybody, I'm with the better magician, actually the best magician. See? Better magician for the better show dahil meron tayong, di ba magic show, guys? The magician better.
Magic show later though.
Yes, thank you so much for coming here and for being here. We're so excited.
Thank you.
Yan talaga request niya.
Yes, po.
So, mamaya he will make me disappear. Nice! For a bit lang, mga kaibigan. Dali lang yun. Alam lang. Thank you, thank you.
Picture, kuya.
Picture tayo. Ano ba?
Picture, 1, 2, 3.
Thank you po.
Thank
Salamat.
you. Thank you.
See you in a bit, Noah. Okay.
See you in a
Thank
bit,
you po.
Noah. He's
Salamat
gonna
po.
disappear first and then come back later.
Okay, toys. Thank you.
Ay, I'm very excited now. Thank you, Miss April. Wow. Tadan, tadan, tadan.
Mobile
O, saan? Oo, ay, yun nga. Mag-iinuman naman. Sa Angel's birthday ni Rubiala na no. So, years are there.
And we have coffee inside.
See there, oh. Happy birthday, Noah. Danawanyans are greeting you.
Okay na.
Danawanyans are greeting you. Thank you. Wow, we have coffee. You can smell it already. We have peaches. We have nice print. Choricino. Of course, magkanin sa nice print. Ay, naku, thank you. Ayan, sige. Look at the inside, guys. Yan, this is by Privé. Ito ang aming.
Naka-live pala.
Yes, ate. Oh, we have R&J Coffee Bar. Sarap na aircon. Dito tayo.
Hawakan mo muna. R&J Coffee Bar.
Kuya, magbigay ka na kay Ate Claudia.
Dispatcha.
R&J Coffee Bar. Teka lang, love.
Hi everybody, it's Evelyn Barreto, the optimal star of the presentation. I want to say thank you to R&J Coffee Bar for making the 7th birthday of Noah, my son, a very special one dahil nandito kayo. Maraming salamat. Tignan niyo naman ako, lahat kompleto sila. May strawberry macchiato, may matcha, may kompleto talaga ang R&J Coffee Bar. Thank you so much.
No, thanks.
Love you guys. Nakaka-overwhelm, man. Thank you. Pictures.
Asan si... Isang... Ay, kuya, ikaw. Ikaw. Picture ka na. Nagsabi, Ate Claus, on.
Yung owner po. Nakalimutan.
Ay, hello, sir. Nakalive kayo, sir. Ano yung name mo, sir? Joshua. Sir Joshua. Sir Joshua, R&J. Bakit R? Sino si R? Ate. Wow.
Kasi karapo din oh.
Okay.
Ang dami yun.
Thank you sa R&J Coffee Bar. Thank you. Love you guys. Anak kayo guys. Okay, wake up na Kuko. No, wake up Kuko. Say Kuko, it's my birthday. Wake up na.
Bring me the phone.
No, don't wake him up with the phone. He's gonna get mad. We have the picture. Yeah.